I'm going to try and make this pretty quick. If you've got a Duramax with this goofy coolant system where you have this top reservoir and this bottom reservoir, you might get to a point where your truck tells you the coolant's low, but you look and you got plenty of coolant in here. I mean, this could use a little more. But if you look down there, it would be empty. There's a little bit in mine because I've been putting a little bit in there already. And you see these videos online about people, you know, they need a vacuum setup to suck the fluid up. There's a guy who's got a video, you might have seen, who's using a garden sprayer to shoot coolant into that little tiny hole there. Well, this is an easier way to do it, and the way that I'm doing it. There's two caps. There's this one on top. There's this one. That goes down the side down here. You can reach that without any problem. Can't really, oh, there it is. Yeah, take them both off. If you have a vacuum pump, you know, one of those handheld ones, or if you have a brake bleeding kit, you probably have this rubber tube and this rubber tip. Well, this rubber tip is perfect to fit into that hole. Get yourself a water bottle, cut a hole in the top, put the tube in there, fill your water bottle up with coolant, make sure the tube goes all the way to the bottom, get your rubber nipple, set it in the hole, and squeeze the bottle. Now, when you get to the point where you can't squeeze any more out of it, you don't want to just let go because you'll start sucking fluid out of that vent. Pop this off before you let go, and then suck the air back into the bottle so you can squeeze it some more. You can see the fluid now is traveling through that vent, going down, all the way down to that bottom reservoir. And you're just sitting here squeezing. That's it. That's all there is to it. That's all you have to do. You don't need a garden sprayer or a fancy vacuum setup. Just a water bottle and some tubing and a little rubber nipple. Good to go.